Welcome back to Totally Random, the YouTube channel that shares information you never knew you needed. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I expel parasites from my body. So if you like what we're going to be talking about in today's video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel so that you can come back and get videos just like this one. Now, I know the thought of having parasites is very, very cringy. I also know that you're probably thinking to yourself, I don't have parasites. So for that reason, I want to take this moment to show you how you can gauge whether or not you have parasites. So if you have ever used a public restroom, you have parasites, okay? If you've ever eaten at a fast food restaurant or at any restaurant for that matter, you have parasites, okay? If you've ever eaten at somebody else's house or used somebody else's restroom, you have parasites. If you've ever been around a fur baby, an animal, any kind of animal for that matter, you have parasites. Okay? Should I keep going? If you've ever been on a plane, a bus, local or a bus for travel, you have parasites. If you've ever been in any vehicle, you have parasites. If you've ever been outside, you have parasites, okay? If you've ever been to America, you have parasites. If you've ever been to any other country apart from America, you have parasites. Saying that to say, everyone on this planet, apart from certain people, which I will share in today's video, everyone on this planet has parasites. Okay? Now, the only people on this planet who do not have parasites are the people who have cleaned them out of their body. And that's actually what I'm here to show you how to do in today's video. So you only need two things, which is some green juice and some green coffee for colon cleansing. That's right. You're going to need to cleanse your colon. A lot of people will tell you to take certain supplements like black walnut, black seed oil, some kind of tincture to drink, to take orally or topically, and that will rid you of parasites. I haven't found that to be true. A lot of people will tell you to eat or drink things that will help you to rid yourself of parasites. I haven't found any of those things to be true. I have literally tried it all, okay? Because just like how you think about parasites being really creepy in your body, I feel the same exact way, which is how I know how you feel, okay? Which is why I know how you feel about the thought of having these critters crawling around in your body, sucking the nutrients out of the food that you eat and making you crave certain things that you normally would not crave, okay? I know how it feels to want to get rid of those parasites, okay? And let's talk about what even a parasite is. It is a organism that takes, it does nothing but take. People can be parasites too, you know, but it does nothing but take. It gives you nothing. You benefit nothing from parasites. It just takes. You eat and it takes all of the essence from your food. So a lot of people who have parasites, they notice that their hair starts to get brittle, their bones start to get brittle, they feel weak, they feel tired, they feel fatigue, extreme adrenal fatigue. They feel like they can't think properly, brain fog, all of those things. Parasites cause those symptoms because they suck all of the vital nutrients out of your food. So you're literally eating just to eat. You don't benefit any of the benefits from the food that you eat because the parasite is the only thing benefiting. That is what a parasite is it takes. Parasites are takers. Again, humans can be parasites as well. Which is why it's so important for you to get rid of the parasites in your body so that you can get back to optimal health. So that when you eat and or drink the foods that you eat and drink, you actually benefit from them instead of that nasty little worm in your body. Have you ever heard the saying, she has worms, or he has worms, or that dog has worms? Yes, this is what we're talking about here, folks. Now, let's get into how to get rid of them. Again, there's nothing that I have taken orally by itself that has ridded me of parasites. And how you know that you have gotten rid of parasites, this is going to brace yourself, okay? Get ready to clutch your pearls, okay? You will see them in your toilet. That's how you know you got rid of them. You'll see them. Okay? So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need is some green juice and some green coffee specifically for colon cleansing. Now, if you're interested in purchasing my particular green juice and my say it 5 times fast, my particular parasite, pretty much parasite killing coffee grounds, the link is going to be listed in the description box below. Now, I can also do a separate video showing you how to make your green coffee and also how to do a colon cleanse. But in this video, all you're going to need to do is drink your green detox juice 20 to 45 minutes before you do your colon cleanse. What this is going to do is help to loosen everything up in your intestines, and then this colon cleanse is going to help you to excrete all of it out. Now, here's the thing about this, is you have to do this for at least 3 months straight, for at least 1 time a week. I would say for best results, daily. Now, good thing about it is this is packed with vitamins and nutrients. You feel really, really good. So this should be a part of your daily life anyways. And the green coffee will help to pick your energy up and help make you feel like you can get through the day. So it's really actually a really pleasant thing to do, apart from getting over the fact that you need to stick a hose up your rectum and fill it up with liquid. But again, as I said, it had taken me the first time I ever did this and expelled thousands of parasites, and I seen them in the toilet. I know that sounds disgusting, but it's true, and I want to be transparent with you. When I seen the disgusting critters in the toilet, that was after my 3rd month of using this system. So this is definitely something that you need to keep doing until you see them all come out. They will all come out together. They will, and they will be wrapped up in your fecal matter. Again, I know, gross. However, this is something that you need to do to get rid of these parasites. Now, for those people who offer you things to take orally, take that too, but you also need to be doing it anally. That is the only way that I have experienced success in ridding my body of parasites, is going through the back door. Okay, and we're being mature here and knowing that we're doing this for a reason. There is a good purpose behind doing this, is so that you can take your body back. Parasites are hosts. They take over your body. okay? They can make you have thoughts that you wouldn't normally think. So a lot of people that get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to get a snack, that's not you, boo-boo. That's the parasites. You're not hungry when you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. They are. That's their party time. That's when they're awake. They want food, preferably something sweet. Okay, so a lot of your sweet cravings are coming from parasites. A lot of the cravings that you have are coming from parasites. Okay, this is why we need to get rid of the parasites, because a lot of people who gain weight, they have parasites because they keep eating and eating and eating and eating and eating because the parasites are helping them to crave. Parasites give you cravings. And I know you've probably thought, why am I craving this? I don't even like this thing. It's not you, it's the parasites. You need to get rid of them. And again, anything that you eat, they take any of the nutrient benefits. They take it all. So you literally get nothing but the waste of the food that you are eating. So let's get your body cleansed out. Let's get you a colon cleanse. Let's get you a good green detox smoothie, okay? If you're interested in purchasing mine, the links are going to be listed down in the description box. That not only helps you go directly to the source to get you the colon cleanse and the detox smoothie or the green juice, but it also helps to monetize this very new YouTube channel. And if you do nothing else, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps this video out through the algorithm to help people just like you find videos just like this. And also hit that subscribe button. That is a free way to help support the YouTube channel. And I will see you all in the future. Bye-bye.